Oh, we are live.
Hey, Mazen, hey, hey, hey,
What up, everyone? What up, everyone? What up, Tris? Little
I'm so
music
good, I
going.
can't lose. Let's go. My trade is looking bad.
Yo, what up, Nate?
I'm fucked. I'm on my knees and I'm praying to make it. Oh shit. I'm fucked.
Add up on the screen a little bit more
Take it.
so y'all can see it.
I'm fucked.
I am going to be trading the Tradeify competition account tonight.
Oh shit.
I'm already up 281 on it.
I gotta start winning.
So we're going to be trading it and see what happens.
Got my beat going crazy. I think my mama might hate me, but mama didn't raise no bitch. They can keep going till I'm rich with 10 screens and a penthouse, a Lambo in the garage. Think I might be going insane, but I have to keep playing the game. I need a good Trump tweet. MMMMOC. Get me out of this. Oh shit. I'm fucked.
Yo, up 28 bucks. There you go.
Trying to make it. Oh shit. I'm fucked. I'm praying that my TP will take it.
I was looking at the leaderboard.
I'm fucked.
I have a feeling as long as you
Praying to
I think as long as you stay positive on it, there's a good chance you move on because people are already blowing it.
think I might be going crazy. I think my dad wanna replace me because I can't pay the rent and I spend every cent on new accounts and evaluations.
So we're not going to push it too hard tonight. Yo, what up, Crazy Chris?
Think I might be going insane. This red trade
We're going to push it a
got
little
me
bit, not like
going.
crazy,
Need a good Trump tweet.
but
Baby wop, gonna
we're
say
definitely going to
I'm fucked.
try to make a little bit more in it. I'd like to hit like $1,000 in it tonight.
Oh shit, I'm fucked. I'm praying that my TP will take it. Oh shit,
I think I'll just hit, some slow, steady gains. Like I said, I think as long as you don't fail it,
oh shit, I'm fucked.
and you stay above like 50,000, I think you'll be good. Yeah, this is the tournament account that I'll be trading tonight. I'm up 281 on it right now. I'm not pushing it too hard right this second. I'll push it a little bit harder tomorrow. Let's see what kind of happens during New York session. So we're going to see what happens. I had a little bit of a technical issue. I was in short on NQ in it, and I had some technical issues with my computer trying to set up stream and trying to get everything set up for tonight. And I had to exit the trade and restart my computer. All right, we got Asia open right now. We're going to be waiting for our setup. I am going to play the orb sweep on gold, and I'm probably going to try to hold it for a decent amount. I think my overall kind of gold play is probably still to the short side. Just kind of looking. The big fib is looking like it needs to come down to like 4,300 on the hourly, which is crazy. It's a ways down there. So I'm probably going to be looking for shorts tonight. But I figured trading the Tradeify Cup on Asia would be pretty fun. Because I'm not a big, like, I know I'm streaming Asia now, but I am not a big Asia session person. I'd like to see gold pump a little bit. I'd like to see it pop out the top of that orb and then go for a ride down. Yo, can y'all hear the music okay? Volume sound good? Not too loud? Let's see here. This looks like it's just going to dump out. But I really want to wait. I don't want to chase it. NQ's dumping out. On NQ, I might look for a long down at like, I'm adjusting real quick. 28,963 is where I'm probably going to look for a long on NQ. I might go ahead and set that actually. Yo, what up, Happy? You're up 1,200 on Tradeify? Jeez, bro. 63. Yeah, I think short was the play for sure out the gate. I was in short, but I had some technical issues that I was dealing with to get the stream up. But I think we do bounce right here. It's a good fib area. See if it comes down, grabs my order. Come on, come down just a little bit more. I swear if it misses my entry. But it should come down here. Come on, come down. Come down. Come down. No. You're gonna tease me like that? That's kind of messed up. Come on. Just come down. Just come down just a little bit. I will say NQ's moving tonight. It's moving real nice. Cove's in a gold trade. Or he's going to be in a gold trade. $26.9. Come on, give me one more little swoop down NQ. Thinking we're going to get just a nice little wick down, a new 5-minute candle open. Cove got his order in on gold, it looks like. Just hit that level. Come on, NQ. Give me just a little push down right here. Little push down. There we go. Oh, damn, right through it. Right through that level on NQ. I'm going to go ahead and take it right back up. Because I do think we go up on NQ. I'm looking for a good recovery. There we go. Pump it up. Pump it up. Keep going. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going, NQ. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. We're going to take that right there. We're going to take that right there. We're up $1,000 on it now. Boom. Boom. That was nice right there. That was freaking nice. Yo, there you go, Dr. Racing. That was a solid freaking long on NQ right there. That was real nice. Yeah, NQ is, man, it's moving nice tonight. We up in the Tradeify Cup now. We up in that account. I know people are way up in it. They're slamming it. They're yellow in it. But those people that are yellow in it will probably end up failing it by the end. We're just going to take smart plays, and we're just going to try to make it to the next round. That's the goal. I think this play still has a lot left in it because it bounced off a key level. And I think it still has some more steam to the upside. Let's check gold real quick. Gold is moving down. Cove got a nice play right there. If you took his call out in chat, that was a nice little setup for a couple points. Gold looks like it just wants to dump out though. Yo, what up, Marie? So that's not a bad way to kind of start the Tradeify Cup out. We're gonna be smart in it at nighttime. Maybe look for another setup. Yeah, gold is kind of dumping right now. NQ's been real nice to me so far tonight. If we end up closing below this fib level on the hour, I may start looking for shorts on NQ. I'm still, yeah, NQ's been crazy tonight. Um, I'm still looking for bounces on NQ currently because of where we're sitting at. You know, we bounced off the 786. We couldn't close below it. I mean, we just started a new hourly candle though. So anything can kind of happen right now. But it does look like it wants to continue down. If that is the case, the play on NQ is going to be, the target's going to be 28,740. Maybe SMT, not right this second because of where we're sitting at. So I'll show you what I'm looking at on NQ. I'll go to the hourly real quick. So this is where we're at on NQ. This is the hourly chart right here. We just bounced off this 786 on the hour. Great area. I am not going to short until this candle, until we get a solid close through the 786. At that point, I'll be looking for shorts down here. And I'd be targeting down here for shorts. The current play is looking for, which we already took. I already took the long on that. But looking for it to build some more structure and push back up is what I'm going to be looking for. We're going to see what happens. We can't seem to stay above currently 29,000. We're having a hard time staying below it, which makes me think we're going to push back up. But we're going to wait. We're going to sit here. We're going to wait for a second. I'm going to flip back over to gold, see what's going on in gold real quick. Gold looks like it just wants to dump out. To be real honest, it looks like it is just ready to just shit the bed. Gold is sitting at the 50%. of a big fib right now, which could be a good sign. It could mean it pops from the 50. Nope, which it is. Oh, did I miss my orb play? Did it pop out the orb? It did. It did. That's crazy. Marie, my little orb play worked out again. Popped out the orb, went right back in, and ran. I didn't take it, but I wasn't watching. It just seems so simple, though. It seems too simple. Yeah, simple is good. It ran to the 50% of that orb, which is crazy. Marie, the fib on the NQ worked really well tonight, though. The higher time frame fib. Freaking killed it. So for NQ right now, I'm looking for us to invert this fair value gap right here. No, Marie, it was the hourly one. Look at this hourly. Hourly fib right here. 786. Bounced. Rejected the fair value gap. That's probably a good idea, Happy. I'm just going to take it kind of slow on the Tradeify Cup. We're going to try to make as much as we can, but we're going to take good setups for it in the first round. So in queue right now, what we're waiting for is to invert this gap right here. Go up, come back, retest. Yeah, it was a pretty good weekend. It was relaxing. How was your weekend, Happy? Oh, there you go. It's always a good time. That is always a good time. Mm. Let's see what I'm looking for right now. New lows tonight? Maybe. It is dumping out. I'm going to be looking for kind of a longer term gold play. I want to see gold come down to like 4,400. There's a good chance it does. It looks like it is ready to just completely shit out. NQ's kind of dying right now. It's trying to figure out what it's going to do, if it's going to pop or not. Let's see what NQ's doing on this smaller fib right here. Come on. NQ kind of struggling right here because of that. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait. I don't know, Tris. It kind of depends, because I think a lot of people are going to end up blowing it. I mean, I'm sure people are hitting it hard right now. Jeez. Yeah, people are way up in it right now. I'm not even in the top 1,000 right now. I'm 1,802. I'm not too worried, though. People are going to blow up over time. I will say this NQ's not looking great right here. Just kind of thinking right now. I'm tempted to leave a short on overnight with, I don't know, 5 micros. But I also like the freaking upside. I like the long. I just don't know what kind of news we're gonna get overnight. You know what? Just for the hell of it, I'm gonna take a long. If I end up going underneath my drawdown, so be it. But I think I'm gonna hold this. If I get up on this like $500, I will move to break even. But I'm really liking the upside. I could be totally wrong, and I could end up giving back all the money that I made. Which might be the case. I'm gonna go that low. If I give it back, if I give it back, I give it back. Jeez. All right, I guess I'm giving it all back tonight. Yeah, NQ's dumping again. I was hoping the 786 was going to hold and we were just going to rip. Which I think it still does. The 786 is usually a really good level to just hold. Yeah, 786 failed. I'm hoping NQ holds the 786. I'm hoping that was just kind of like a little fake out Now we need to make new highs on NQ and rip. NQ needs to break this level up here at 29,044. I mean, we in this thing. We're holding.
This is not a track. Headphones on my head and the beat to my soul. This is not a track. The wave in my feet. This is not a track. Can you hear the beat? Industrial rhythm, a digital convulsion.
I like that we're back above 29,000. We're having a hard time staying below it, which I like. There we go. Go back up. Keep pumping. Pump, make a new high.
Systems humming, trying to find a way out. Caught in the feedback
We're in this thing. We're holding.
of the digital doubt. Can you hear? Caught in the beat. It's musical haunting, going
I feel like I kind of got to make a move on it since people are so far up on it.
rampant in my head. Headphones in my head, a memory leak, a glitch in the system when the speakers speak. No melody to hum, no rhythm to keep. Just the digital side before we go to sleep. It's just me, my headphones. It's just me, my headphones. If the beat stops, it will be the end.
Let's see, what's ES looking like?
Beat flatline. This is not a track. Headphones on my head and the beat to my soul. This is not a track. The wave in my feet. This is not
ES is also bouncing off about the same level.
Can you hear the beat? High distortion. Manual override. The beat is my heartbeat. The beat is my headphones on my The beat is my headphones on my
All right, we're back to the 786. Back at it. I don't want it to take this wick out.
cotton candy sky.
We might be in trouble here.
Color on your eyes. You laugh, I forget. Every way I'm
I want this wick to hold right here.
broken.
Remove this down just a hair more.
Fall.
Because I want that wick to hold.
Cleaning in the hall. You say, stay till it gets bright. So we chase the morning through the longest night. Heartbeat racing. Catch on my tongue.
All right, we have 18 minutes in this hourly candle left. It should start pushing back up. It's either that or we're just going to dump out. Yo, what up, TJ? Yeah, this market's wild right now. All right, we might get a 786 fail right here, which is not a good thing. That means we're gonna, if it fails, we're gonna dump hard. We're at the 786. We're at it right now on NQ on the hourly. So this is the hourly fib right here. We're at the 786 on it. And we need it to hold. Which it does not look like it's going to. Nope. We're not going to hold it. There's a 5-minute close underneath it, which is not good. This candle needs to push right back up. If it's going to hold, this candle's got to push back up. Yeah, I'm holding, Chris. I'm freaking holding this thing. All right, so far that wick is holding, which is a good thing. That's what I need to see. We need to get it back above 29,000. There we go. Come on, push back up. Push right back up.
The city never shuts its eyes. It only shifts its lines of light. Every window is a screen, reflecting things I've never seen. I walk the cold streets alone, where everything is overgrown, with signals I can't decode and overload.
Come on, keep going.
Silence anymore, just layers running through the floor. Every sound is algorithm and trained.
We're going to be holding this thing for a while, I think.
They just hum behind closed doors, and I'm caught
We got a new hourly candle in about 11 minutes.
of what
So this thing really needs to push.
I remember something warm before it all became the form of data streaming through the air everywhere.
Get above
Coming bites,
63,
special lights,
and we'll be golden to the upside.
motion as a cause, lost. I'm trying to feel beyond the code, but everything
This thing will moonshot.
overrode like a signal pulling me to repeat.
Look at Cove entering the duck race.
Bodies don't sleep anymore. They just hum behind closed doors, and I'm caught inside the glow of what I don't know.
Come on, get back above 29,000.
Unplug from the stream,
Give us a good, strong candle to the upside.
from a world that never was. Just because.
There we go. Give us that push up.
Just because.
Took some heat, held some heat through this. I do think we're going to push back up though.
Like before, I just move inside the flow and let it go.
There we go. Come on, keep pushing back up.
Like there's nothing left. Flying high,
Made a new high on that push right there. Took out that.
flying high, lightning speed.
Kind of not the candle we want to see right there on the 1 minute chart though.
I go fast, shooting star. No brakes, and I do not have a car. Light years away.
That is not the move we want to see. We need a good Trump tweet right now. We need him to say something good right now. Let's get a nice little push back up. Oh. We need to push back up before this hourly candle comes up. So we got about 7 minutes before that happens. And we need this thing to get back up here to our entry. We got 5 minutes before the new hourly candle comes out. And we are holding. We need this level to hold. We do not need a close below the 786. And this is not looking pretty. That was a new 5-minute candle that pushed down. It looks like we could push back up. But NQ is being wild tonight. Come on, push back up. Now if we can stay above 29,000, that would be fantastic for our trade. Yeah. I'm looking for it to close up here. Then I'll feel really good about it. If we close above the 63, I will feel really, really good about it. We're back in the green. I'm looking for a nice big move up now. Come on. Give it to us, NQ. Give us that push up. Problem is, we have, I think it's Hong Kong Open in 3 minutes, which is either going to push us up or push us down. It can get a little wild at that time. I'm hoping it gives us a nice big push back up. We need to break this high, and then we need to close up here. What up, Nao? What up, BK? All right, new hourly candle in about a minute. We need NQ to push up here. Come on, give us a nice push candle right here. All right, we got the new hourly candle coming up here in about 30 seconds, 20 seconds. There we go. There's a nice little push right there. There we go. There's a nice push. We're moving to break even finally. We want this to continue up. Well, we want this candle to go up. All right, we got taken out of break even basically. We held all that just for break even. It's okay. We're still up $1,100 on the good old Tradeify competition account, which is solid. It doesn't put us in the top 1,000, but that's not a bad little start to it.
The other player has left the game. This account has been deleted. This user doesn't exist anymore. Error.
Let's pop over to gold real quick, see what's happening over here. Dang, gold had a nice rip and then dump, which is crazy. Damn. That's crazy. That is crazy. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be back in the good old top 1,000. Hopefully some people overdo it tonight and blow their accounts. Damn, there's someone that's already up 13 grand. That's insane. I mean, there's a bunch of people that are up 10 grand, 13 grand. There's a bunch of people that are up 10 grand. We're going to keep pushing it, though. We'll push it more tomorrow night. We'll push it tomorrow during New York session.
All the files has been deleted. This game is over. Error.
Suit on slow, zipper up, gloves on. Morning fog on the grass. I walk the roads to wooden boxes.
I mean, I'm Luther. I'm just kind of doing it for fun.
Rings in my hands, waxing croppers. Sticky coat on my thumb. I lift one side,
It's kind of a fun thing to just do and, you know, see how you're doing it. We may not get past, first round. People are just kind of yellowing it. They're up a bunch. It kind of just depends on your trading journey if it's worth it for you.
one slow turn and the whole yard sings. Smoker low, puffs in the clover, soft gray curls on the breeze. Harvest day, golden like syrup, dripping down through the leaves. Brush the ledger that hung rising.
This 786 might hold tonight.
Back to the shed, wax on my fingers, I'm already halfway there.
I might be kicking myself in the morning.
See now, I know the signs. Heavy frame means a good spring line. Easy now, let the
I mean, yeah, it's a free attempt, but the odds are stacked against you for sure. I'm doing it for the stream, for Asia, get people included.
summer heat, jar by jar
Who
on the
knows?
table,
It'd be cool to make it past the first round.
on the wood.
It'd be cool to go head to head with some of these people. But I tell you what, during the New York session, it will not be my main priority. During New York, it's probably going to be I freaking snag a trade and I hold it for the day. Yeah, minimum 10K. Minimum. I mean, there are people that are already up 10K right now, which is crazy. Yeah, YOLO is the way, which is what I'll probably do during the New York session. And I might blow it tomorrow. Who knows? Because I'm going to place a trade and I'm probably going to hold it for the day.
Engine hum, lipstick smudge, man crack, still look good. Tick tick boom, don't say much. I don't stop, I self-destruct. I self-destruct. Red lights flash, I still go. Base it hard, lose control. You said stop, I like that. Bad decisions, bitch, I'm that. Chrome nails on the wheel, talks a pretty sex appeal. Crash into me, no excuse. I don't fix it, I abuse. Thinning out mascara tears, still look hot in all my fears. Say my name, fade to black. We will make it past this crash. Car crash, no brakes, all gas. Kiss me hard, shatter glass. Sparks fly when we clash. Love me like
All right, how's everyone doing tonight? Is everyone up tonight? Everyone take good trades tonight?
no seatbelt, don't look
I feel like the price action was great.
car crash.
You should be up.
Iconic in
Everyone should have made some money tonight, whether it was on NQ or gold.
dashboard
I
glow.
bet Marie's up like $1 million right now.
Can't dry, sweet like adrenaline. Pretty chaos, let me in. Heart locked in my glove box. Crack the
Marie, you up like what? A couple $100, $500, $1,000?
in despair. Spinning out, make it chic. Every scar look good on me. If we go like that. Post for pics, we gotta dash. Car crash, no brakes, all
Yo, 610. Dang, Marie.
sparks fly when we clash. Love me like a
That's dang good.
dangerous, I know that. Still cute when I relapse. No seatbelt, don't look back. Iconic in a car crash.
Hopefully everyone's green tonight. That just goes to show you don't need a lot of size to make good money. That's freaking awesome. There you go, Nate.
Silver static on my tongue. Your name calling.
Yo, everyone green, it looks like. Everyone. Green, green, green. Boom.
Red exit signs that never speak. Shadows flicker when I breathe. You're the chill under my nails.
Alright, because it's Sunday night, I'm gonna cut the stream a little short tonight. Get prepped for Monday. Get freaking ready to rock and roll tomorrow morning. We're gonna be at it bright and early. It's gonna be a big week. We got Nvidia earnings this week. I don't think we have any crazy news, but be on the lookout for Trump. Don't get Trump this week because there's a good chance we're gonna get some crazy headlines. But we will see everyone early in the morning. Y'all have a good rest of y'all's evening. Don't get caught up in this. Don't do anything stupid. Y'all have a good rest of the night.